Ahoy mateys, first-time cruiser, ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure, 11 tips to set sail like a pro. These tips will ensure you have the best experience possible. Hey there fellow travellers, welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Now, if you're watching this, you're probably thinking about taking your first cruise. Exciting, right? Cruising is an amazing way to see multiple destinations without the hassle of packing and unpacking every 5 seconds. Imagine waking up in a new place every day. Don't worry, I'm here to be your trusty compass, guiding you through every step. I've got 11 invaluable insider tips that will make your voyage smoother than a dolphin ride through a sea of butter. Trust me, you don't want to miss these. So grab your life vests and let's dive right in. Adventure awaits, and we're here to make it unforgettable. Alright, first things first, booking your cruise. Now, you've got 2 options, booking early or snagging a last-minute deal. If you're the kind of person who plans their Halloween costume in July, then booking early is your jam. You'll score the best selection of cabins and itineraries. But if you thrive on spontaneity, last-minute deals can save you a bundle. Just imagine, you're sitting at home, scrolling through your phone, and bam! A Caribbean cruise pops up for like the price of a large pizza. Choosing the right cabin is kind of like picking your superpower. Do you want a balcony for epic sunrise views and maybe a little room service breakfast? Or are you cool with an inside cabin that's cozy, quiet, and easier on the wallet? And hey, if you're feeling fancy, you can always splurge on a suite. It's like having your own apartment on the high seas, complete with a butler who will bring you ice cream at 2 a.m. Don't ask me how I know that. Now, let's talk ports. These are the amazing destinations your cruise ship will be gracing with its presence. But here's the thing, don't just step off the ship and wander around aimlessly like a lost seagull. Do your research. Before you set sail, channel your inner travel detective and find out what each port has to offer. Knowing what you want to do beforehand means you can plan your excursions and make the most of your time on land. Pack like a pro, essentials for smooth sailing. Packing for a cruise is an art form, my friends. It's not just about throwing things into a suitcase, it's about strategy and foresight. It's like trying to fit a lifetime's worth of outfits into a tiny suitcase. You need to be selective and smart about what you bring. First things first, layers, layers, layers. They are your best friend on a cruise. Think about it. 1 minute, you're basking in the Caribbean sun. The next, you're chilling in an air-conditioned casino that feels like the Arctic. The temperature can change drastically. You need to be prepared for anything. From tropical heat to cool evenings, versatility is key. And don't even get me started on formal night. You'll need that elegant attire for those special dinners and events. Now, for the essentials. Sunscreen, because nobody likes a lobster red tourist. Protect your skin from those harsh sun rays. Power strips, because outlets are like gold dust on a cruise ship. With all your gadgets, you'll need extra charging points. And a good book, because sometimes you just want to relax by the pool and escape into a world of pirates and mermaids. It's the perfect way to unwind and enjoy your downtime. Onboard activities, prepare to be wowed. Okay, let's talk about the fun stuff. Onboard activities, there's so much to do. You won't know where to start. Cruising isn't just about lounging by the pool and sipping fruity drinks, although, let's be real, that's a big part of it. It's also about exploring new experiences and making the most of your time at sea. It's about embracing the endless entertainment options. We're talking Broadway-style shows, cooking classes, and so much more. And dance parties that'll have you grooving under the stars. Imagine dancing the night away with the ocean as your backdrop. And hey, if you're feeling brave, there's always karaoke night. Belt out your favorite tunes and become the star of the show. Just remember, what happens on the cruise ship stays on the cruise ship. It's all about having fun and letting go. The point is, there's something for everyone on a cruise. From families to solo travelers, everyone can find their niche. So go ahead, let loose, try something new, and create some unforgettable memories. Your adventure awaits. Dining extravaganza, from casual bites to gourmet delights. Alright, let's talk food, because let's be honest, a cruise is basically a week-long all-you-can-eat buffet extravaganza. But here's the thing, don't just stick to the main dining room, explore the casual dining spots. You might find the best pizza you've ever had tucked away near the pool deck, and don't be afraid to try something new. Ever had escargot? Now's your chance. Go on, live a little. Stay hydrated or else. Amidst all the excitement of exploring new places and indulging in delicious food, it's easy to forget the most crucial thing, staying hydrated. Trust me, there's nothing worse than feeling sluggish and tired when you're supposed to be living your best vacation life. So, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable bottle with you and refill it whenever you can. The Cruise app, your pocket-sized cruise director. Alright, fellow tech-savvy travelers, listen up. Most cruise lines these days have their own apps, and let me tell you, they're like having a personal assistant in your pocket. You can check the daily schedule of events, browse menus for all the restaurants, book shore excursions, and even order room service. It's like magic, but instead of a wand, you're using your phone. So, before you set sail, download your cruise line's app. Befriend the crew, they're the real heroes. The crew members on a cruise ship work incredibly hard to make your vacation unforgettable. So why not show them a little love? Get to know them. Strike up a conversation with your server, ask the bartender for their favourite drink recommendation, or chat with the cruise director about their favourite onboard activity. Plus, you might just pick up some insider tips and tricks that will make your cruise even more amazing. Budget like a boss. Don't forget the extras. While cruising can be an incredibly affordable vacation option, there are some extra costs that can sneak up on you like a seagull after your French fries. Sure, your cruise fare covers most of the essentials, but things like specialty dining, alcoholic beverages, shore excursions, and spa treatments can add up quickly. So it's important to factor those into your budget. Just set aside a little extra cash for fun stuff, and you'll be good to go. Relax, unwind, and embrace the journey. This last tip is the most important one of all. Relax. You're on vacation, my friend. Don't stress about trying to do everything or seeing every single sight. Instead, go with the flow. Sleep in late, read a book by the pool, indulge in a spa treatment, or simply do nothing at all. The beauty of a cruise is that you can do as much or as little as you want. So there you have it. We covered 11 essential tips for first-time cruisers. that will help you tackle your voyage with confidence. Remember, planning is key, but so is enjoying the moment. Each tip is designed to make your cruise experience smoother and more enjoyable. Drop your experiences in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching and happy cruising. Stay tuned to discover the top cruise ship activities that will take your vacation to the next level. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.